Banang Aiman Sim Shushu ia kisamla pule jongga school Saint Michael Omsning. Kikana school barim jongga tiga school ki badan haga kenhon kabalatip kum ka Saint Michael Higher Secondary School Past Pupils Association. Ndak singi lapan long ya kaji kindulang nak bantaban ai ya kijingai sung bahasa kikana school ki bala pas bah hagi eksimen jongki nagani school. Lala abanai dagi sernat sa kan mau rengkan ru upat kasong pisah. Hangin juga sengi lapan long ru ia ke seminar kumno banjit ia kelenti ban terekam terjam hadin makila pendep ia kijing pule baper. Nalor gino ilam jongga Saint Michael Higher Secondary School Past Pupils Association laidan lang ru kibor penian jongga tiga school.
Boys and girls and students of Saint Michael Higher Secondary School. As students, while you are still under formation and training to be someone and somewhere, God has a plan for you and for each and every one of you, and especially for your life to come. The enemy too has a plan for you, and you have to be ready for both. Be wise enough to know the good and the bad, God and the devil as well. And it is the battle and which one to embrace and win. Students, you know, school days will be over and it will not last forever too. Your life, your character, your behavior and your personality will be forever as long as you live. These you will realize only when you are out of the school life. Life is not going to be easy. Be sure it is going to be tough and challenging. How it is going to help you out to go forward and to reach the goal and the success is your willpower and you have within you, and a strong willpower also along with an unfailing trust and faith in God. God has given you different gifts and talents to cultivate in your life, and it is up to you to choose the right gift and talent.